Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. We head through the evening and overnight hours. We're looking at light snow to spread across southeast Michigan. And as temperatures rise through the overnight, we could see some patchy freezing drizzle trying to mix in with that light snow, especially towards sunrise into the morning hours on Friday. It will be milder with rain this weekend. Here we go with our hour-by-hour forecast. A lot of cloud cover. Here comes that rain for the weekend, and that will certainly bring a lot of ponding, standing water, and we could even see some icy side roads. And we're looking at widespread rain showers in the morning on Saturday, kind of pushing out during the day on Saturday. Sunday does look dry. Temperatures tonight, 22 degrees and rising, a dusting to upwards of an inch of snow possible. That includes the evening through the overnight hours, and then once again some patchy freezing drizzle toward daybreak. 36 for a high tomorrow, a light mix early, rain late, and again later in the day we have to really keep an eye on the temperatures. Could see some freezing rain again mixing in until those temperatures rise above freezing. 40 for a high on Saturday, 37 and dry on Sunday. We do have a chance for spotty snow showers both Monday and Tuesday. Thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great night.